In this video, I'll be going over divisibility rule of 7. The purpose of this video is to find out if the number is divisible by 7 or not. And the steps are multiplying the last digit by 2, then minus it from the rest of the number, then find out if it's divisible by 7. If it is, then the entire number is divisible by 7. For the first example, we have 672. So we're going to look at the last digit, 2, and then multiply by 2. That equals 4. And then we're going to look at the rest of the number is 67. And then we're going to minus this number from 67. This becomes 63. Now, is 63 divisible by 7? And the answer is yes, because it becomes 9. And therefore, it checks out that the first example is divisible by 7. Now, for the second example, we have 434. So we're going to take 4 times by 2. That equals 8. Then we want to move that over here, minus it from 43, then we get 35. And 35 divided by 7 is 5. And so that also checks out. And for any of these numbers, you can punch in the calculator, 434 divided by 7, and you'll see that it is divisible by 7. And next one, 1001, taking the last digit, multiple by 2, minus it from 100, becomes 98. Now it's 98 dividable by 7. The answer is yes, because it will become 14. And for number 4, we have 1512. Taking the last digit, 2 times 2 equals 4. Minus 4 becomes 147. Now 147 is 3 digits, so we're going to do this process again. So we're going to take the 7, and then times by 2, which equals 14. Then we're going to place it right here for the rest of the two numbers, and that becomes 0. And when 0 divided by 7 is 0, so that means it also checks out. And for the fifth example, we have 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. Move over here. Becomes 238. Then again, we have 3 digits, so we're going to take the 8 times 2 equals 16. Then we're going to move it right here. Under 23. So 23 minus 16 is 7. And 7 divided by 7 is 1. So that means that this number is also divisible by 7. Now for the last example, 3262. Taking the 2 times 2 equals 4. Then I'm going to move it right here. That gives us 322. Then we're going to take the 2, multiply by 2 again, equals 4. So 32 minus 4 is 28. And 28 divided by 7 is 4. So that also checks out. So these are 6 examples of how you would find out if a number is divisible by 7. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.